It's the championship game, and the stadium is buzzing like a beehive on espresso. The air feels electric, every heartbeat synced with the roar of the crowd. Down on the field, the star player moves with eerie perfection like they downloaded the cheat codes before kickoff. Every pass, every sprint, every glance is dialed in with surgical precision. No, they haven't shaken hands with a time-traveling wizard or found a genie in the locker room. They've got something even better: AI. This is 2025, where algorithms whisper in milliseconds, wearables warn muscles before they rebel, and training feels like getting coached by a Jedi Master minus the robe and cryptic fortune cookie advice. Welcome to the era where grit meets gigabytes. Let's dive in. AI's market momentum. The numbers tell the story. In 2025, the global AI in sports market has exploded to $10.82 billion and is hurtling towards $60.78 billion by 2034. That's a 21% compound annual growth rate, meaning investors aren't just betting on this, they're betting big. Another analysis pegs it at $7.5 billion in 2025, surging to $25.12 billion by 2030, an even hotter 27% growth curve. Either way, the message is the same: AI in sports isn't a passing tech fad, it's a tidal wave reshaping the entire playing field. Stadiums, training centers, even local community clubs are integrating AI solutions, from performance tracking to fan engagement tools. If sports were a game of chess, AI is the grandmaster, moving pieces 5 steps ahead, reading every strategy before the opponent even thinks of it. And right now, that grandmaster is rewriting the rulebook, turning underdogs into contenders and contenders into legends. The athlete's digital guardian. One of AI's most game-changing roles is keeping athletes on the field and out of the recovery room. At the University of Pittsburgh, the newly launched Health Sciences and Sports Analytics Cloud Innovation Center, powered by Amazon Web Services, acts like a 24/7 digital guardian. Using machine learning models from Amazon SageMaker, the center analyzes real-time biometric data, training loads, and historical injury patterns to predict potential breakdowns before they happen. Imagine a system quietly sending an alert that says, "Ease up, your left hamstring is about to start a mutiny." Students at Pitt aren't just studying this in theory, they're developing real solutions that are already impacting athletes in real games. This is where career-saving interventions are born, not in a doctor's office after the injury, but in the milliseconds before it. And with each success, the technology is becoming smarter, adapting to individual athletes like a tailor-made safety net. In the near future, this could be as essential to sports as the whistle is to the referee. Training in 4D, VR, sensors, and Jedi-level feedback. Once you're injury-free, AI doesn't just let you train, it makes you train smarter, faster, and more precisely than ever before. Forget replaying grainy footage from practice. Now athletes can step into VR environments that mimic live competition, with every movement tracked and analyzed in real time. In tennis, VR swing training systems have delivered measurable improvements in swing consistency after just a few sessions. Add to that AI-driven smart sportswear fitted with strain sensors boasting an incredible 92.3% accuracy in assessing movement quality, and you've got feedback loops so tight they make traditional coaching look like guesswork. It's as if Obi-Wan Kenobi himself is monitoring your form, only without the Force-related small talk. And while the tech sounds elite, you don't need a galactic budget to get started. Affordable motion apps can bring a slice of this future into your living room or local gym. Scout like it's Hogwarts. If you think scouting is still about a coach with a clipboard in the stands, you're living in the wrong decade. AI is turning talent discovery into something that feels downright magical. In global football, the platform Eyeball evaluates nearly 180,000 youth players across 28 countries, using data models to match them to elite archetypes like Erling Haaland or Jude Bellingham. These algorithms don't just look at goals scored, they analyze movement, reaction time, decision-making patterns, and even psychological resilience. Meanwhile, in cricket, the Baroda Cricket Association has deployed AI in its local T20 league to break down weaknesses, optimize lineups, and identify breakout stars before the opposition even knows their name. This isn't just a leap forward for sports science, it's a gift for storytellers. Imagine profiling a 17-year-old athlete today with the same reverence reserved for legends. AI lets us spot those arcs before they fully unfold. Judging goes robo-genius. AI isn't just changing how athletes play, it's changing how they're judged. In extreme sports, where subjective scoring can make or break careers, the OWL AI debuted at the X Games in Aspen with the precision of a laser-guided referee. Created by former Olympic skier Jeremy Bloom, this system analyzes tricks in real time, offering instant scoring and even multilingual commentary. It promises to remove bias, ensure transparency, and maintain fairness in a sporting industry where betting stakes are sky-high, over $16 billion in some cases. Imagine landing a snowboard trick and immediately hearing a calm AI voice say, "Clean landing, 9.5 solid work, champ." It's judging without the drama, and athletes are all for it. Fans, too, are leaning in, trusting that every score is rooted in pure skill rather than human whim. And as this tech evolves, we may soon see AI officiating across everything from gymnastics to street skateboarding, making fairness the new standard. AI scripts your highlight reel. Beyond the competition, AI has become a master storyteller in its own right. Automated highlight systems can now comb through hours of game footage in seconds, identifying the most electrifying moments and stitching them together into a perfectly paced reel. Sports tech innovators like Kibi Sports, Futrax, and Stupa Sports Analytics are merging wearable performance data with AI video editing to deliver instant, personalized game summaries to fans. Stats Perform, one of the global leaders in sports analytics, operates with over 140 AI models and nearly 400 patents, feeding these insights to media outlets, teams, and even fantasy league players. The result is a fan experience that's deeply personal, highlight reels tailored to your favorite player, your favorite type of play, even your mood. It's like having your own sports documentary crew working just for you, every single game. AI isn't anti-romance. For all its brilliance, AI is still a tool, and the magic of sport comes from the people playing it. Data can tell you when a sprinter's acceleration is peaking, but it can't capture the goosebumps when they cross the finish line to embrace their coach. Predictive models can suggest lineup changes, but they can't replicate the joy in a player's eyes after a comeback victory. AI's role is to amplify these moments, not replace them. Think of it as the ultimate sidekick. Batman may have gadgets, but it's Bruce Wayne's grit and determination that make him a hero. The key to using AI in sports storytelling is to always connect the data back to emotion. Let the numbers guide your narrative, but let the human heart drive it home. Because in the end, it's the sweat, the smiles, and the stories that turn statistics into legends. And no algorithm, no matter how advanced, can fake the magic of a moment that moves the world. COVID-style comeback. What's most exciting about this AI sports revolution is that it's happening everywhere, from world-class stadiums to university labs. We've gone from a pandemic-paused sports world to a tech-driven renaissance. The University of Pittsburgh's Innovation Hub is turning students into hands-on contributors to elite athletic performance. La Liga's global AI-driven match analysis is transforming both player strategies and fan content worldwide. The X Games have embraced AI judging to ensure fairness in extreme sports. This is not a future that's coming, it's a present we're living in, and it's only accelerating. Every season brings new breakthroughs, blurring the lines between athlete and innovator. And with each leap forward, we're watching sports history being rewritten in real time. We've explored how AI can keep athletes healthy, train them with unmatched precision, spot future superstars, ensure fair judging, and craft highlight reels that feel tailor-made. But beneath all the tech, the real magic is in the stories, the moments that make hearts race and crowds roar. AI is the tool, the human spirit is the star. Use the data to amplify emotion, not replace it, and you'll create performances and narratives that live far beyond the scoreboard. If this video sparked your imagination, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves sports and great stories as much as you do.